are good. Where are your socks?
Keep going.
Where are your socks? Very good.
Good girl.
Thank you for taking the time to do that. All right, get your shop on. What? Where are you going to go?
This video is going to be more exciting if you do what you've been doing for the past 5 minutes. What?
Are you trying to say sock? Sock?
Good girl.
Can you say sock?
Sock.
I'm trying to say it. Oh, you got into it. Ah!